Mining. The Copperbelt is next week hosting a very important mining trade expo and conference. To discuss more on this important event, in the studio we are joined by Nicole Smith, who is the event director. Nicole, good morning and welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning, Tamara. Thank you so much for having me.
And welcome to Kitwe.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.
Is this your first time?
It's my first time, yes, in Kitwe.
Okay, how have you found the city?
Very good so far.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It's the hub of the Copperbelt, Kitwe.
Absolutely.
And maybe, Nicole, just tell us, what is this mining expo all about?
Okay, well, Copperbelt Mining Trade Expo and Conference, CBM Tech, that you've probably heard about, is taking place next week, Monday and Tuesday, at the Mist Garden venue here in Kitwe. It is a professional attendance expo and conference catering to the entire mining value chain of Zambia, looking at all the issues affecting the industry, bringing all the role players together from government through to the private sector, local, national, regional and international, all here in Kitwe next week.
Why is it being held here in Kitwe?
Why not? Kitwe, this is the heart of mining operations, and the way we work with CBM Tech, we bring the issues, we bring everything to the heart of the mining operations. We don't believe in creating an event or a platform away from where all the activities are actually being held. So bringing it to Kitwe was obviously a very strategic decision, and we have enjoyed great support from the Zambian government, from the Ministry of Mines, Energy, Water Development, from our partners, the Zambia Chamber of Mines, and various associations, the Kitwe District Chamber of Commerce and Industry also, to show that this event is really coming at a good time and it is in the right place. It's at the heart of the mining operations in Zambia, and we'll be looking at all the issues.
How many companies are expected to participate in this expo?
We've had an unbelievable, unprecedented interest in the event. We have seen over 90 companies that will be participating in the CBM Tech Expo, and we are expecting 1,500 visitors over the 2 days of the event to attend and meet with each other and engage over mining issues.
On the companies that are participating, do we expect some foreign-based companies as well?
Yes, there's a cross-section of international companies, local companies, just to name a few of the companies that are well-known companies in the mining industry that will be coming to Kitwe and will have a presence. Obviously, we've got Sandvik, we've got Atlas Copco, we've got Barlow World, we've got Grindrod, we've got a various selection of service companies, product companies that are servicing the mining industry.
What is the benefits of this trade expo to the mining industry in Zambia?
Well, not only does a very big event like CBM Tech really put the mining industry on the spotlight, promote Zambia as a mining investment destination, it also, it addresses issues across the mining value chain. So we're looking at, a whole host of issues around environment. We're looking at issues around training and local content. We're looking at, obviously, bringing connectivity to people across the mining supply chain, and it's all in one place over 2 days. So that is a great benefit, obviously, and it gets also people to understand what the mining industry is about and what the mining industry is doing for Zambia.
Is this the first time that this mining trade expo is taking place in Zambia?
It is the first time that CBM Tech comes to Kitwe, but it's not the last time.
Okay. Nicole, would like to thank you so much for making an appearance on our show this morning, and we thank you that you flew all the way just to come and appear on our show this morning.
Thank you very much for having me. We look forward to welcoming you at CBM Tech next week.
Of course you will.
Thank you.
Thank you.